This is the new torch holder I made for the Torchmate. So when I bought it, it didn't have the torch holder. So I had to fabricate that one out of aluminum with the torch clamps. And then this is an oxygen acetylene torch body. So I made the first hole 5/8 to clamp around that torch. And I made this hole 1 inch, and I drilled and I tapped these holes 1/4 20. So these bolts hold the torches together, so it's solid. It's pretty solid, and it cuts straight too. So here's an example. She cuts pretty good, 90 degrees corners. That's 1/4 inch steel. Now I'm using a 27 amp plasma cutter. It's a Miller Spectrum 375. It's not really a CNC plasma torch. So that's why I have it rigged up with the handheld torch over here. And so this is a automatic torch height controller. This is the motor. This is the carriage. It slides up and down so that the torch height can maintain the proper height to get the right voltage. But that's the newest fix to the table. More changes coming soon.